Hi, I'm Nicole, mother to 5 children, which keeps me very busy. I also work part-time as a medical receptionist.
I'm Chris, I'm a wedding photographer. I run a business from home, so my time's very limited. We've been living here for 21 years. The old family home that we had wasn't meeting our family needs in terms of space, and we wanted to upgrade. Before we saw the salesperson and we saw the Metricon Dual Occupancy, we weren't that sure as to what we could do on our property. And when we spoke to the salesperson there, Anthony, he was wonderful, and he explained to us all the different options that we had, and it opened up our eyes as to the possibilities that we could do on our property. The size of the block that it was, we didn't think that we could get a dual occupancy site ever on this property, right? And considering that it's under 600 square metre allotment, Metricon worked with local council to be able to get us the dual occupancy, and the size of the property is more than big enough. The return on investment for us doing the dual occupancy has been a main driver for us doing this. The ability for us to stay in the area that we wanted to and to get what we want in an affordable manner is great. So it was worthwhile knocking down our own home to build a new home rather than renovating.
Kids felt really excited about moving into our new home, although they missed our last home and all the memories that they had in there. But they're looking forward, we're making new memories in this home, so moving back into their old suburb is important.
For our own home, we wanted to pick what suited us. For the home next door, we wanted to pick as to what we thought would be suitable to the general public. So we stuck with neutral colours. We stuck with things that we thought the majority of people would like. When you consider that we've divided a block of 590 square metres into 2, the amount of space that we've achieved is absolutely amazing. A lot of times when you have a single occupancy home, a lot of space is lost, right? Where Metricon has utilised design and it feels absolutely amazing. Yeah. You know, Metricon has got, the designers, the specialists, the people that know aesthetics a lot better than us, and they were able to advise us. We trusted the builder, we trusted the advice that was given for us, and we ran with it.
Kids really love their own space. The fact they've got upstairs that they can utilise and play on their Xbox, watch a movie, whilst we're downstairs and we have our own space.
Having barbecues on the balcony is amazing. We love the feeling. And neighbours watching by and we can wave at them. The big thing for me, considering that I'm self-employed, I work from home and with a large family, was that I spend as little time as possible on this development. And if someone wants to do as little as possible and get the professional to do their job without micromanagement, then Metricon's that type of company. So it's absolutely seamless process. It's amazing. I didn't need to hear from them. I didn't want to hear from them. And they did everything in the background and everything just happened exactly the way they said it would happen. And in the timeframes that would happen as well. We would definitely be doing this again, right? That's 100%, that's certainty.